Hey guys, it is Arika Misha and I'm doing some baking today, and I decided to bring you guys along. Today I am cooking Betty Crocker chocolate chip. It's their cookie mix. It says here it makes up to 12 cookies, 12 2-inch cookies. So it's a little small cookies, but that's fine. You know, they ain't my homemade chocolate chip. Make sure y'all go check out that video. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do something cute and quick today, the Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookies. So let's see. It's easy. Y'all know me, I make it nice and simple and easy for you. All right, so it looks like the only thing we need is half a stick of butter and a tablespoon of water. That's it. That's all, y'all. Oh, we can do this. Let's do this. All right, so let's see what it says. Heat oven to 375. Okay, we got the oven heated already. All right, let's see. Okay, soften butter, room temperature. Okay, my butter's been out room temperature. Okay. All right. All right, just simple. It's all we're doing. It's just adding this mix. All right, prep time 5 minutes, bake time 10 minutes. Okay, sounds good to me. All right, so that's all we're doing. We just adding teaspoon 1 inch into ungreased pan, 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, stir cookie mix, soften butter and water in a medium bowl until soft dough forms. Okay, we can do this. All right, make sure y'all can see in this bowl. Y'all can see just fine. Now, it ain't no reason why y'all can't be making some chocolate chip cookies for your kids, for yourself. Let me go get that tablespoon of water. All right, we got our 1 tablespoon of water. That's easy. I got my half a stick of butter, room temperature butter that's been sitting out. Okay, that's easy too. All right, it's easy. Okay, 1 tablespoon of water. Butter and mix. It looks easy. Let me zoom y'all in some more. Looks easy. Alright. That's pretty much what chocolate chip cookies is anyway. Just butter and chocolate chips and a little flour. I mean, that's pretty much it anyway. So, but like I said, make sure y'all go check out my homemade chocolate chip cookies. Don't get it twisted now. I make my homemade chocolate chip cookies, but you know I like the quick stuff too. So, but I also like to keep it real, you know, and do that homemade stuff. So, all right, this looks easy enough. Get this all mixed together. Easy, guys. Looks easy. Okay. Looks like it's starting to form a little dough. Get my butter mixed in a little bit more. Make sure I get them sides scraped up. Uh-oh, thought y'all could see. Hold on, y'all. Okay. Alright, that's cute. I should have got about 4 packs of these, y'all. Only got 1 pack. I should have got about 4 or 5 of these things. Cause this ain't gonna make that many cookies. But yeah, this ain't gonna make that many cookies. But alright, so I got it all mixed up, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and tray up the cookies, and I'm gonna get them in the oven and let y'all see what they look like. Let's see what Betty Crocker talking about. All right, I'll be back, y'all. Okay, guys, I just pulled the cookies out of the oven, and you know what? They turned out great. Let me zoom y'all in. I'll zoom y'all into those chocolate chip cookies. They turned out just great. I cooked them for 10 minutes, and they were perfect. 10 minutes. They smell great. My whole house smells like when I'm cooking my homemade chocolate chip cookies. But yeah. And I got 13 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, let me make sure before I say it. 5. Yeah, exactly what I thought. So, all right, I did good. And the cookies turned out great. They smell good. They look delicious. I'm finna go ahead and sample me one of these cookies, y'all. So, I gotta go. So, you know what? Y'all know what I always say. You seen me do it. So, y'all know I did it. All right, guys. This is Arika Misha. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, guys, knowledge is power. Okay, guys. Bye.